question that I get all the time. Should you start an LLC? Should you stay as a sole proprietorship? What legal structure should you use, or should you just start selling? Let's break it down into plain English so you don't waste any time, you don't waste any money, and you don't make the wrong choice for your specific financial position. So, option one is the sole proprietorship. This is for you to just start selling. The pros of this is there's no paperwork for you to do, there's no fees, and it's a really quick start. This is that you're personally liable. So if somebody sues you, coming for you, they're coming for your money, they're coming for your home, whatever it is that you have in assets, so to speak. However, will have is self employment tax. And the benefit of self employment tax is when the time comes for you to collect on Social Security or Medicaid, you've paid into that pot through your self employment tax. So I'm not going to sit here and tell you that there's no tax benefits because there is. It's just different. As far as having a business as a sole proprietor, it's best for low risk. So if you're just selling digital products, consulting, side hustling, making some money, you may not do the business again kind of thing. It's a good idea and it can be a strategic idea if you decide to turn that side hustle into a regular business. So, and of course, it's also good if you just want to test the idea too. You're just testing the idea to see if it's going to work for you. An LLC is a limited liability company. That means you are only liable for what you pretty much invested in the business. If you invested $1,000 in the business and get sued, you're only liable for $1,000 worth of liability, and the other $1 million that you're being sued for has to come from the company and the company assets. The pros of this is that it will protect your personal assets up to that point of liability and adds credibility. You, of course, you look like, oh, it's a real business, right? It's an LLC, and it gives that flexibility where you can take those business tax deductions. Now, the cons of this is that it costs you money to register. There are ongoing fees, and there's slightly more paperwork. So if you're not prepared to do business, to make money, to manage a corporation in terms of fees and registrations and paperwork, then it's not the good thing for you to do. But here's the caveat of that. Like I said, start at a sole proprietorship, test your idea, and then move into an LLC. Jumping into an LLC and you don't even know who your target market is, you don't even know if you're going to make any money, just doesn't make any sense. So you got your LLC. Now what? An LLC does not make a business. It doesn't get you customers. It doesn't make you money. It is paperwork. That's all it is. You need a plan of action. You needed one before the LLC, and you're going to need one after the LLC. Two key things I want you to check out next. First, right here on Novas TV, there's a video called Should I Incorporate? And it breaks down every legal business structure from sole proprietorship to nonprofit in plain English. It's only about 10 minutes, but the most important part is this: it shows you exactly how each one affects your money. So, whether you're an individual, a partnership, a joint venture, even a nonprofit, this video will help you understand your options and which one fits you best. Secondly, visit our website. The link's in the description. You'll find our incorporation kit, which lets you compare all the different business structures side by side. There's a blog in there that explains how business taxation works, and then another one where I show you how to pay yourself as a business owner. Now, this is something that trips up a lot of new entrepreneurs. And once you're ready to take things further, I've got two tools you must grab: the corporate tax estimator. so you can see roughly how much you'll owe based on your legal business structure and the state and the money that you're making. And of course, the No Boss Startup Budget, which helps you plan exactly what it takes to launch and stay afloat for those first new months of your business. So, again, I've got plenty of tools and resources to put you on the right track. Watch the video, Should I Incorporate? And then grab the Incorporation Kit. It's totally free at noboss.business. I hope this business tip helped you understand what LLC really means and when you actually need one. And if you find this helpful, come hang out with us inside No Boss Hubs on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here on No Boss TV for another business tip.